Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it can be quite alarming. This issue typically arises when the blades are not properly aligned or if there is debris caught in the mechanism. Ignoring this problem could lead to further damage, making repairs more complex and costly. To get started on this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement blade set, some lubricant, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to prevent any accidents. To safely open the device, use your screwdriver to remove the screws on the base. Gently lift the cover to avoid damaging any internal components. Once opened, you should be able to see the motor and the blades. The grinding noise often indicates that the blades are worn out or misaligned. Carefully inspect the blades for any signs of damage. To extract the blades, you will need to remove the retaining screw that holds them in place. Make sure to apply the right amount of force. If it feels too tight, don't force it as this could damage the motor. Once the screw is removed, gently pull out the blades. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement blade set and insert it, making sure it is aligned correctly. Replace the retaining screw and tighten it securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten. Next, check for any cables that may need to be disconnected during this process. If you've accidentally disconnected any, simply reconnect them before proceeding. With the blades in place, apply a small amount of lubricant to ensure smooth operation. Now, it's time to close the device. Gently place the cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is snug and in its proper place. Once closed, plug the device back in and test it. If it runs smoothly without the grinding noise, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly check and clean the blades and the motor area of your Thermomix. Avoid overloading the device, as this can put extra strain on the blades and motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.